How to change Discord password if you forgot it. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can change Discord password if you have forgot your password. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're already logged into your account, now if you want to change your password, you will need to enter your current password as well. So for that, if you head to your settings and now head towards your account, and if you scroll down a bit and if you click on change password, there you have to enter your current password as well. But if you don't know your password and if you want to change it, so for that you have to log out of your account. So in order to log out, you can close this and scroll all the way to the end, and here you have this logout option. You have to click on it, and here click on logout. So once you log out, here you'll be asked to enter your login credential. Since we don't know our password, now click on forget your password link. But first of all, you have to enter your email. Then click on forget your password. Verify and complete the verification process. After that, here it says we send instructions to change your password in your Gmail account, so you have to check for your inbox. Click on OK. Now you have to open up Gmail in your device, where you will receive an email from Discord to change your password. Here you have the email. Now to reset your password, click on reset password. And now you can change your password. All you have to do is enter your new password. Once you're done, click on change password. And now your password is changed and you'll be directly logged into your account. So in this way, you can reset your password if you have forgotten it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.